Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Apple Music sound check to equalize the volume of all downloaded music on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Music. And next, you want to go down to the audio section and tap on sound check to turn this off or have it on. Now, once it is on, any songs that you download from Apple Music or in the internet, when you start playing it, if some songs are too loud, your iPhone will automatically lower it down so that you will not get a surprise when you are playing a song and then suddenly the earphone just blast off with loud audio noise that can essentially hurt your ear. So sound check is a great feature that automatically lower the volumes of any songs that is too loud. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.